May 3rd. Today I am scheduled to get my second dose of the COVID vaccine. Yay! So yeah, let's go get that done and see what else the day brings us. Okay, so we just got my second shot. Been a few hours since the shot. Feeling good so far. Slightly sore arm already. Taking advantage of the nice hot weather today. Well, yeah. I don't know if you can hear it. There's a cricket somewhere in my apartment. This is night 2 already of Mr. Chirpy Chirp. Day after. Woke up with a bit of a headache this morning. Wasn't too bad. Kind of slept in just to help alleviate it. I did get a couple side effects during the night, had some chills and felt a bit of heaviness on the upper part of my body. But aside from that, oh, and the sore arm, which is, you know, normal of any boosters or vaccines. Feeling pretty okay so far. Means vaccine's working, it's doing its thing. Pretty happy about it, so cool. Yeah, we'll see what goes from there. I forgot, there is one errand I have to do. It's the premiere of the vlog. The very first episode is coming on in 2 minutes. Here we go, off to a new adventure. Yeah, that was exciting. Can't wait for everybody to see it, or who've already seen it. By the time I show this part of the video to you guys will probably be a couple weeks after. Thank you for everyone who's seen it so far, who's seen all my videos so far, and who keep coming back and who want to see more. Thank you so much for all your support, and looking forward to more adventures. All right, now to get on with the day. Hello, Mr. Bisons, or family of bison. Never really seen bison up close. I will leave it there for this week. Thank you for joining me on my week's journey. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you're doing in the comments down below. And yeah, we'll come back next week for a new adventure. Thanks for joining me once again. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll leave it there. See you guys next time.